A very warm good morning and namaste to the respected principal sir, director sir, honorable panel of judges. I am Balsam Lama and I am honored to stand before you to talk about a movement that has transformed societies, shaped histories and yet inspires to change the world with positivity and inclusivity. And the topic that I am going to speak now is the topic that is very timely yet crucial for the future of our generation. Feminism. I say it loud, feminism. So, when we hear the word feminism, we tend to believe that it is the idea of just a bunch of women hating on men or even worse, want to suppress over men. But today, here, in the space of this stage, I would like to talk about how feminism is for everyone. So, firstly, what is feminism? So, feminism in its core is a belief that seeks justice, is a powerful force that seeks equality and right to live from oppression. Talking about this word oppression, so the thing that comes into my mind is that we live in a society where if men are oppressed, it's called tragedy, and when women are oppressed, it's called tradition. And feminism helps to break and challenge these types of historical traditions which suppresses women, but feminism only does the support for women's rights, but it also addresses the issue that is faced by the men because of this patriarchal society. So, what is feminism? Feminism is a powerful force that looks out for every human aspect, whether it is economically, politically, or even socially. So, feminism is something that is both for men and women. When we talk about this topic, feminism, there is one misconception that comes with it. That is that feminism is only beneficial for women. But my friends, feminism although helps women to get their women's rights, has always been rooted for women's rights, but it doesn't mean that we don't talk about men, because men also face patriarchal issue from the society. They are kept into these rigid boxes where they have to act like they are emotionally detached, they are dominant. Society has always kept men and women into these rigid boxes where men are supposed to be providers, earners and learners, while women are only allowed to be homemakers and caregivers. And feminism helps women to be part of the roles they are not assigned to by this patriarchal society. That is, female also gets the chance to be the part of science and technology, while men also gets the chance to show their vulnerability. About dividing power and breaking down the limits that the patriarchal society has kept us into. It is for breaking the rigid boxes that our patriarchal society has kept us into. It is fight for the young woman or young girl who is facing discrimination and is not allowed to go to school, to the young boy who is told, hey, man up, for just showing a slight bit of emotion. So feminism speaks for both women and men. It is not the fight against men versus women. It is the fight of men and women versus the patriarchal society, patriarchal concept of the society. And feminism seeks for everyone to be in one side versus the patriarchal society that has been teaching us these rigid types of masculinity where you have to be emotionally detached if you are a man, and if you are a woman, you are supposed to be the caregivers for men. And feminism breaks this type of stereotypical thoughts and always makes sure that no one gets disadvantaged beyond the roles that our society has kept us into. It helps that no one gets discriminated based on their gender. No one gets disadvantaged being a woman or being a man. Feminism helps everyone. It is feminism. I don't want women to have power over men. I want women to have power over themselves so that the world is a place where equality is just not a dream but a reality. To be a part of feminism is not only for a woman. You can be a feminist whether if you are a man, if you are a woman, or any gender that has recently come into this earth. Because there are also some people that has felt like, oh, I'm just a man, I'm just a woman, and I'm more than that. But they also have the concept of feminism, because feminism is something that only does not fight for women's rights. It fights for human's rights. As long as you are human, you have to support feminism, because it seeks the world for a better place. It leads the world towards a better place, and just not only fights for women's rights. The idea of feminism being anti-male is very wrong. The idea of feminism is only beneficial for women is very wrong. Because, say with me, feminism is for everyone. It is not against anyone. I repeat, feminism is for everyone, not against anyone. It is not about taking power from one certain group and giving it to another. It is about breaking the power and giving it to all as a human. And lastly, again, feminism is for everyone, not against anyone. Thank you, timekeeper, for keeping up with me, and thank you everyone for keeping up with me.